Okay, we are packing up and getting ready to go to the blind. Can't really see Luke, but there he is.
How you doing?
And it is a nipply morning, I'll tell you that much. And so we got a pretty long walk to go, and then build a blind and shoot birds. Let's get on this. This is tricky business right here with this flashlight. I look so spooky. This is... Can you turn the hat around?
Oh, your hair's sexy as hell.
Is it?
Yep. With the little hair flip up front.
Alright, we'll roll with this. We need to get a camera with a light on the front. Alright, so we have the blind all made. It's pretty sparse cover around here. But we got the blind all set up. We're sitting in some rushes and some cattails and stuff, so hopefully that will do the job just fine. We got kind of a northwest wind. It's perfect because it's right at our back, and this is where the birds were dive bombing in last night, so odds are in our favor. Let's set out the decoys. We got a dozen mallards and half a dozen teal and half a dozen widgeon decoys, and I think we're gonna run like a little J horseshoe type of deal, maybe some pods, I don't know. We'll have to see how it looks and adjust accordingly for the birds. So things are looking good. Let's get the decoys in the water. So here's the old situation. We've shot 2 ducks. This camera was not recording, which was supposed to catch everything like flying in and getting shot. So we only got GoPro footage. Big old cold front behind us coming in from the north. It's like the south. There's still some blue sky. I don't know if this camera's picking that up or not, but there's 2 ducks right there. Flying right at us.
How you did?
I just missed that duck. It was a very wishful shot. It has slowed down significantly since we about first flight stopped, and then it's just been dead ever since. Saw a big old group of ducks just get up off the refuge and start flying south. So hopefully we'll get a push of new birds with this cold front, but I don't know. What are you doing, Luke? We also got this guy behind us who can't blow a duck call, and he's calling it Tweety birds. Hilarious. So, we'll keep you updated. I don't know how this is going to go. Hunt number 1 of the duck season is over. We killed 2 ducks, meaning Luke killed 2 ducks. It was a struggle. I was having a little bit of trouble today. Had the minor issue of finding where my safety was. And I also had my gun barrel get caught on some stuff, and you know, that's how it goes. We'll get back in the swing of things. It's kind of why I wanted to take this trip, is just kind of get a head start. But duck hunt number 1 in the book with 2 green wings. Drake in a hand. We're gonna make some sandwiches and do some scouting.